When do we start recording? We wait for the sound effects guy. He should be here by now. Hey guys. Hey man, Chris. Woo woo. Nah. Can we start recording soon?
Let me get my stuff together, man. It's gonna be so cool.
As y'all know, I didn't get started out with this podcast without some help. It's been great to have Gerald helping me out with the music and stuff.
And I'm happy to be here, man.
Alright, so do you have some sound effects for me today?
Well, you know how my effects go. You know, it's just the same old stuff I've always been doing.
Alright. Y'all ready to record? Alright. Alright. Take one. Let's go. Welcome to the Cucumber Show. I'm Ryan Cucumber, and today we have a very special guest. Hey! Chris, did you really have to do that?
I mean, you guys give like fart jokes like all the time, man. I'm just doing what y'all are interested in.
But, I mean, we don't want to hear an actual fart. I mean, I know we do jokes about it, but it's not cool for the podcast, man.
Okay. What about hearing a huge crowd cheering? Ooh, that's a good idea, right?
That wouldn't be so bad. Alright, let's begin again. Welcome to the Cucumber Show. I'm Ryan Cucumber, and... Really, did you have to do that?
You guys wanted the crowd, so that's what I did. I gave you a crowd.
Yeah, man, you're just killing our vibe, dude.
Yeah, well, I guess I'll just leave.
I am glad that he's gone. It would have been so cool to have like my best friend help out with this show, man. Would have been so cool. Maybe some other time. Good luck to you. Okay, let's record again, guys. Today, we are hosting the Cucumber Show. I'm Ryan Cucumber, and today we have our special guest, Glover. Hey, Ryan. Oh, shit. I forgot to press the record button. Alright. Let's do it again.